Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to Facebook post. All right, start by making a post by tapping on the What's on Your Mind area right here. All right, just tap on it. Now just go ahead and type in, for example, maybe this music is fire. All right, now once that's done, I'm going to close my keyboard. All right, down here, as you can see, there are a ton of buttons right here and icons. All we're going to do is just tap on the three dots to release every functions right here. Then scroll down, and as you can see here, music is available. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now, if you want to, you can use the search function to search for a particular music. All right, let's say, for example, this one, all right, which is my favorite artist. So what we're going to do here, if you want to preview the particular music, just go ahead and tap on the play button right here. If not, just go ahead and tap on the music icon or the music title. All right, for example, I'm going to tap on it. Now, as you can see, album photo is available as well. Now you can go ahead and add your own media. For example, add media right here. Let's say this one. The moment you enter your photo or video, the music should start playing, but I muted it. As we all know, it is against TOS. All right, just go ahead and hit on done. If you want to, you can go ahead and add your own stickers right here, tag someone, add your own words or letterings, drawings, effects, or crop. Once you're done editing, just hit on done. And as you can see, when we post it, it is just posted. When you tap on the unmute button right here, the music should start playing. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.